So, 1 ounce treats 6 gallons. How much is an ounce? Okay. So there's 4 gallons in here. So 1 ounce treats 6 gallons. Here, 1 cap treats half a gallon. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12. I need 12 caps. 6. Okay, that's 6. So 2, 4, 6. Wait, okay, hold on. Math is not mathing. So if there's 4 gallons in here, 1 ounce treats half a gallon. No, so one ounce treats 6 gallons. So 1 cap treats half a gallon. I put in 4 caps, right? 4 caps, that's 2 gallons. 8 caps, I need 8 caps. Wait, 1 cap treats half a gallon. So 1 gallon, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. I need 8, not 12, 8. Okay, 4. Okay, that's 8. And then 1 more for good luck. There, okay. Yeah, alright, fine. It's flammable, but that's okay.